And we know this cold air is also causing some issues in the racing capital of the world right now. That's with several water main breaks reported in Speedway. It all started over the weekend with issues at 3 locations, and that includes this shopping center that was flooded Sunday night. The entire town still under a boil advisory that we now know will last until at least Friday.
Fox 59's Claire Curry explains what's being done to get that water flowing once again.
Dawson's on Main has a "Sorry, we're closed" sign taped to the door, turning customers away from a good meal. First the snow, and now the water main breaks have caused them to lock up shop.
We were out 2 days last week and then 2 days now.
The restaurant sits empty with chairs on top of tables as the town of Speedway is in the process of fixing the failures.
Our dish machine just quit working. We had no water pressure, nothing. And so, we figured something was wrong.
Since Sunday, the entire town has been under a boil advisory because of it. Town officials saying that this will last until at least Friday. Several businesses are open and operating on Main Street. However, the logistics nightmare and overall risk to customers' health was not worth it to Dawson's.
It just didn't seem right to try and, make a buck, doing it this way. It wasn't worth it to us.
The town of Speedway has been working with the Department of Environmental Management to ensure safe drinking water following the repairs. Before the boil advisory can be lifted, the town needs to allow the water tank to stabilize. A sample needs to be sent off for testing and pass, and then a follow-up one needs to be sent off and pass 24 hours later. Citizens Energy Group is not assisting with the disrupted water service in Speedway. However, they've dealt with a handful of their own across central Indiana.
In the past 2 weeks, we've seen about 100 water main breaks. That's 14 days of responses, but it's really important to put that in context. There are water main breaks and then there are water main breaks. There are small ones that are underground and people might not even see, and then there are larger ones.
Citizens does not currently have any areas under a boil advisory. The Energy Group just asked the public to report breaks if they see one.
Certainly people can do things in their own homes to make sure that their internal plumbing is not interrupted by cold temperatures, but not so much in the public right of way. We just ask people to get them on our radar so we can get out and address them.
Reporting in Speedway, Claire Curry, Fox 59 News.
Claire, thanks for that. Now to a Fox 59 update.